All right, y'all, this is JT back with another video, man. If y'all been watching my last few videos, y'all know I've been running a sale on my 7-figure affiliate course. This is the last day you can get access to my course for only $25. It shouldn't even have been this price from the get-go, but like I said, from the start of my affiliate channel 7 years ago, I always like to keep my courses affordable to the everyday affiliate, but this course is just too gold to only have for $25, and I didn't put hundreds of hours, blood, sweat, and tears into this. Literally, like, I'm about to show y'all. Let me log in for my account, show y'all what I made for the day so far. It is, as you can see, it's Monday, August 11th, 11:45 p.m. So in 15 minutes, it'll be a new day. Let me open up my phone, pull up this damn 6-digit code, 182997. I haven't checked in a couple hours, so let's see where we at. Damn, 540. It's 540 today, and then 482 yesterday, and so far for the month we have 4296, and it's only the 11th of August. So we still got, I don't know how many days, I think it's 31 days in August, but still got 20 days left in August. I'm already at $4,000 for the month. A lot of people don't even make this in the whole month, and I still got 20 more days left to go. And let's refresh the screen. You know what I'm saying? There's always somebody saying, oh, refresh. Let me do it one more time. We even click on today's stats, so y'all know this ain't no cap. So yeah, between today and yesterday, the 10th to the 11th, $1,000 and $1,022.40 just in the last 24 hours. This is crazy, man. I haven't even posted. What's crazy is on my accounts, on my TikTok and my Instagram account that I promote on, I haven't even made no posts in like 2 or 3 days. I'm about to show y'all. The work from home plug. What's my Instagrams? Oh, here we go. I haven't even uploaded in like 2 days. I'm about to record as soon as I'm done making this YouTube video. I'm about to record a new TikTok and Instagram reel. I got a new idea I'm about to test out. As you can see on my account, I got 21,000 followers, 21,300 something. It's growing pretty fast. My highest viewed video on this account, it's loading a little slow probably because I'm recording. But 374,000 views, 195,000, 137, 29, 24, 23. I know I got other videos with more views. I don't know why it's whatever. TikTok. It might be just a Chrome extension I downloaded. See, here we go. 374, 239, 195, 137, 107, 84, 58, 29, 28, 24. Y'all get what's going on. We go to my Instagram, look at the reels. I had my friend make some content for me. She got 24,000 views. It looked like she about to go viral. 10K views, 6,000, 14,000, 6,000, 67,000. I could have sworn it was just at 50 earlier. I don't know. I got multiple videos going viral. Shit working. 14,500, 500,000. It's crazy. That was like my first time testing it out on my Instagram account. 500,000. I just like really got the blueprint to this stuff. If you in my my course and in my Facebook group, you know what's going on, man. You go through that course, you're gonna see what I'm talking about, how easy this shit is. Like, I laid it out for you. If you're not getting success with this, and mind you, it don't have to be the first day, it don't have to be the second day. You stay consistent. It only takes one video. Man, it's just so crazy to think that one video could literally be so life-changing, and how much people just give up just because some shit didn't work the first time. Think about it. Okay, scratch this video that got 500,000 views. The next one got 14,000 views, and then the next one got damn near 70,000 views. This one got 6,000 views. This one got 14,000, 6,000, 10,000, now 24,000. I could have quit. Let's say, like I said, scratch this video off with the 500,000 views. I could have quit after this one, 6,000 views. Like, oh man, I ain't getting enough. Blah blah. Even though I made some good money off of this video, I could have quit then. But guess what? I went over double the next video, went back down, almost double with this one. Then I went double again with this one. So that's the whole thing of staying consistent. Every video that you think is gonna go viral might not go viral. The videos you think won't go viral end up going viral. So the whole thing is just staying consistent. Just follow the blueprint. I already laid out step by step, and you will get the results eventually. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. I can't put I can't guarantee anything, but man, listen, bro. If I would have gave up after my first video didn't go viral, my second video didn't go viral, blah, blah, I wouldn't even be here talking about this stuff right now. This shit is serious. This is main, like I said, over and over again, just staying consistent. That's been my secret weapon from the start. If we go to the training, to the members area, it's 9 videos in here. Got to watch this first, tools and resources. This is everything I use to make this happen. I literally laid it out, step 1 through step 7. Step 1, setting up your affiliate funnel. Step 2, your account creation. Step 3, researching. Step 4, scripting the videos. Step 5, recording them. Step 6, editing the videos. Step 7, putting it all together. It's that simple. I don't need to make no 30 video, 50 video course when I can just break it down into 8 or 9 videos. You know what I'm saying? I like to make my stuff every course that I make, I try to make it as actionable as possible. I don't like making because a lot of people, they make courses with 50 different videos to try to make it look more than what it actually is. It just be a bunch of bullshit. I like getting straight to the point. Yeah, and like I was saying at the start of this video, this course, this is the last day. It's going to be at $25 before I start increasing the price. I'm going to still make it affordable, but it ain't going to be at $25. So like I said, it's the last chance you will ever get to get this course for only $25. It comes with a private Facebook group, free updates, lifetime access, the whole 9. Y'all know how that go. Inside my Facebook group, one of my members, who just started getting results for himself, just made this 2 hours ago. Not to offend anyone, but don't forget to take action. Sometimes you got to jump out there and figure your own sauce out. The course is the blueprint. Just get creative. We can ask all the questions and get all the answers, but we got to take action, get ready to fail so you can succeed. I might use that as a caption. How sweet that is. Yes, Jalen Thomas results are amazing, but best believe he had tons of failing results. If you watch my other video, I said the same thing. I said, you get all of my hundreds of hours that I put into this, the good, the bad. I compiled it to a point where you just get all the success and be able to learn from my failures all at the same time. Keep going. This is actually easy. We on our phones all day anyway, so just post until the platform say you reach your daily limit. Come on, bro. He one person in the group that I could say really understands like my whole thought process about making this course and making it actionable and just knowing you might not go viral today, but you can go viral tomorrow. The whole thing is just staying consistent. Stay consistent, bro. It's right there. It's literally right there for you. Let me refresh these results because it's even crazy to me. I'm doing this with all free traffic. Like I said, I'm not running Facebook ads. I'm not running TikTok ads. I'm not buying Instagram promos. I'm doing this all off free traffic. Same stuff I'm teaching you for only $25. So I don't want to make this video too long, but man, this is the last day you can get my course for only $25. Links will be in the description and the comment section down below, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video.